1 Minute Arabic, Lesson 7.
مرحبا.
It's Mark and Murad here, your Arabic teachers, bringing you 1 Minute Arabic from the Radiolingua Network. Each lesson of 1 Minute Arabic teaches you a few words and phrases in 60 seconds, or thereabouts. Last lesson, you learned to introduce yourself. In Lesson 7, you'll learn how to say, it's nice to meet someone.
The clock is ticking.
So let's get learning. Your 1 minute language lesson starts now. Can you remember how to say, my name is? Murad, what would you say?
اسمي مراد.
When you meet someone, it's only polite to say that it's nice to meet them. To say this in Arabic, you would say,
tasharrafnā.
Listen again.
tasharrafnā.
This phrase literally means we're honored. Try it one more time.
tasharrafnā.
Good. So maybe your new Arabic-speaking friend could help you with your Arabic. Listen to this phrase.
هل يمكن أن تساعدني لأتعلم العربية؟
Now, it does sound quite complicated, but there are a few words in there that you already know. The phrase means, can you help me learn some Arabic? Of course, you're already learning the language, but this phrase will help you make lots of Arabic-speaking friends and improve your language skills at the same time. Try saying it after Murad. He will say it slowly.
هل يمكن أن تساعدني لأتعلم العربية؟
You already know how to say please in Arabic, so you could add this to the end of the phrase. Please is لو سمحت.
هل يمكن أن تساعدني لأتعلم العربية لو سمحت؟
Time's up, and once again, I'm sure that the new phrases that you've learned in this lesson will go down well with your Arabic-speaking friends or business colleagues. Today's phrases have been quite difficult, so try to listen again to this episode. That's all for today.
شكرا. مع السلامة.
This is a production of the Radiolingua Network. Find out more at radiolingua.com.